Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is preposition. What is preposition? So preposition is a word that comes before a noun or a pronoun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. So make sure you know what is the noun. Let's have a look at some common prepositions that we are using in our daily life. For, in, with, to, under, at. With a picture now, behind, between, in front of, above, in, under, beside, near, on. Let's find the preposition in the sentence now. Where is the girl? Where? The girl is sleeping on the sofa. Where? On. Where is the girl? The girl is standing beside the sofa. Where is she? Beside the sofa. Where is the girl? The girl is in front of the window. Don't forget to ask where. In front. Where? In front. Where is the girl? The girl is with her mom. Where? With. Where? With. Where are the fruits? Where? The fruits are in the bowl. Where? In. So in is the preposition. Where is the teacher? Where? The teacher is between Rosa and Jack. Where? Between. So between is a preposition. Where is the sun? The sun is above the board. Where? Above. So above is a preposition. Where is the party? The party is at Miss Jill's house. Where? At. So at here is a preposition. Where is the dog? The dog is near the slide. Where? Near. So near here is a preposition. Where the dog came from? The dog came from Jack's house. Where? From. It's your time to find the preposition. Where is the television? Where is the lamp? Where is the uncle? Where are the books? Where is the girl? Here you can see some prepositions of place and prepositions of moment. Take a time and read it. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us like. Thank you. Have a nice day.